Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Snowflake Worksheet login problems, role errors step by step clearly. To resolve login issues with Snowflake Worksheets, start by checking your login credentials. Enter your username and password carefully, ensuring there are no typos. If you are uncertain about your password, reset it through the Snowflake login page. Next, confirm that you are connecting to the correct Snowflake account. Check your account identifier, which often includes your organization name. If you're using a cloud-based version, verify that you have selected the correct. Once these checks are complete, look into the role settings in your Snowflake account. Log in to the Snowflake web interface. After logging in, navigate to the user section in your account settings. Here, confirm that you have the appropriate role assigned for your worksheet access. If the role is incorrect or missing, contact your Snowflake administrator for adjustments. It's also important to check your network settings. Ensure that your firewall or VPN is not blocking access to Snowflake. Try disabling your VPN temporarily to see if that resolves the issue. If you are using multiple devices, attempt to log in from a different device to isolate the problem. In some cases, browser settings may interfere with the login process. Clear your browser's cache and cookies to ensure a fresh login attempt. If you continue to face issues, use a different browser to see if that resolves the problem. Remember to check Snowflake's status page for any ongoing outages or maintenance. If all else fails, document the error messages you encounter. Reach out to Snowflake support with these details for personalized assistance. Following these steps should help you resolve login issues with role errors in Snowflake Worksheets. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.